dear followers, today in my short video I will show you guys our new side fender badge for Subaru Impreza STI models. You can see that I take the pink one and I remove the tint film from the product, and you can see the colors. It's beautiful sporty pink color. And on the back side you will see the 3M adhesive tape. Take a look. The second one is the white one, which is perfect for some white colors STI models, and it's ready for you. You can see the color of the painting is really high quality. Here is the next color, is the blue, which you can also see, and I will remove the tint film now, and you can see again the same process. And every product arrive as a pair and one set, and we can ship it worldwide, no matter which country, and everything will be provided with tracking number and friendly customer service for every customer. Here is the lime green color, which is also nice for white color cars or blue color cars. It's a great colors. It's my favorite one. Take a look. It's look really great. It's made perfectly. And here is a 3M tape that is easy to install on any STI model. Here is the one that is like the original color, which is a red one, and I will show you it as well. The last one is the whole black color, which is arrived with STI also in a black color, so it will make you without any color, and it also look great and very fancy. Again guys, thank you for watching my channel, and stay tuned, and new videos coming soon.